Conditional statements. Conditional statements are used to execute different blocks of code based on certain conditions. The if statement is the most basic conditional statement, followed by else if and else statements to handle multiple conditions. Switch statement. The switch statement allows you to select one of many code blocks to be executed. It evaluates an expression and compares it against multiple cases. If the expression matches a case, the corresponding block of code is executed. Ternary operator. The ternary operator? Smile provides a concise way to write conditional expressions. It's a shorthand for simple if-else statements. Truthy and falsy values. In JavaScript, non-Boolean values have an inherent truthiness or falsiness. This plays an important role in conditional statements. Falsy values: false, 0, empty string, null, undefined. Truthy values: everything else, including non-empty strings, numbers other than 0, arrays, objects, and functions. Short-circuit evaluation. Short-circuit evaluation is a feature of logical operators and/or. It allows the interpreter to skip evaluating the second operand if the result can be determined from the first operand.